I'm going to repeat important information that I just shared. It is about our third writing session. Our third writing session will be on this coming Friday, January the 22nd. Please be on a lookout for for an invite for Google Doc, and begin your working as soon as you get my permission to get in. Okay? And also, once you have finished your writing, once the writing session has also finished, please go to that document again and see my remarks, my feedback, my suggestions that will be related to improvement in your writing. All right. Now, I sent an email to everyone the day before yesterday where I asked you to come prepared to talk about contents in the Sunday newspaper of the Sunday magazine, Sunday magazine of the news newspaper. Are you prepared to talk about that? Should we begin? Okay. Tell me honestly that all of you actually, or maybe some of you had the opportunity to read some contents from the Sunday magazine. That, like, you actually worked on that. I would appreciate your honesty here.
Ma'am, I read some articles from the magazine section you mentioned of the news.
Very good, very good, good. Okay, this is what we will do today. Okay, let me tell you very briefly, and I have talked about this already, that so far for our syllabus, we have learned about letters to the editors. We have also learned about editorials. We have also learned about columns. Now we are going to begin our learning related to features. Features. I am going to write it here. Can anyone tell me what is a feature? Sorry for the wrong spellings. There is an E after R. Feature. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is a newspaper feature? What are features? Can anyone tell me what is a feature?
Something exclusive,
Exclusive of what?
like a news or an announcement.
Any example? I'm not sure what you are referring to.
Like a publication type.
Okay, so you said announcement.
Ma'am, it can be, it's not necessarily hard news, it can also be soft news, and it can also be whatever is of the interest of the people, whatever is current. So
Very
a
good.
feature is
Yes.
probably a showcased item of the entire magazine.
Yes. A feature can also be
Ma'am,
based on soft news. Yes,
it's
Fatma, go
it's
ahead.
it's a non-fiction story as well.
May I know your name? It's Maheen. Is it Maheen?
Maheen.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-fictional
Yes, ma'am.
story. Very good. Okay. Fatma wanted to say something.
Ma'am, it's basically a story that is a news story that is more in depth and quite longer than the usual news story as well.
Okay, very good. Now, what you are saying, what you all are saying is somewhat related to what you read in Sunday magazine of the news. Talk about your experience of reading of articles in TNS. Okay, they were features, by the way. I asked you to read articles from Sunday magazine of the news newspaper, which is known as TNS, the news on Sunday. Okay. Now, okay. What I'm asking you, okay, let's do this. And this is also your assignment for Wednesday, for your class on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. What I would like you to do is, I would like you to answer a question. You might want to write the question. The question is, keeping in view your experience of reading columns, I think I should write the question in the chat box as well. Okay, here is the question. I wrote it in the chat box. Keeping in view your experience of reading columns, how can you differentiate between column writing and feature writing? Please refer to Okay. ठीक है, please refer to your experience of reading articles from the the TNS. All right. Now you have been reading columns a lot lately. Can anyone tell me the name of any famous columnist?
Talat Hussain.
Very good. Any other? May I know your name, lady?
Maheen.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma-
Hassan Nisar.
Hassan Nisar, very good. Anyone else? Just one more
Javed.
example.
Ma'am, Hamid Mir.
Hamid
Hamid
Mir,
Mir.
someone said
On
Javed
in
Chaudhary. Very good. Okay, now you have been reading columns a lot lately. What you are going to read on TNS are features. Most of them are features. Now, you already have the experience of reading columns. What I am asking you to do is read articles from TNS, which are features, and then try to differentiate, try to identify differences between column writing and feature writing. Now, does the question make sense? If no, please ask me now so that I can help you. Does the question make sense? Okay. Example. I can give you an example. Do you see pictures in columns?
Ma'am, there are no pictures in the columns except the picture of the writer. Sometimes
Very good.
it's,
Very good, Fatma. I'm glad. Yes. Only picture you see usually in column is the picture of the columnist himself. Other than that, very little pictorial display. Some international newspapers may have just one picture, that's it. But usually columns are published without pictorial display. By pictorial display, I mean pictures. However, in contrast, features have a lot of pictures. Okay, now just refer to your reading from TNS. Okay? In TNS, you may have seen articles with pictures. This is one big difference. Columns usually no pictorial display, usually published with just one picture, which is the picture of the columnist himself. Feature comes with a lot of pictorial display. This is one example. Okay? Let me give you another example. Okay, would anyone like to share any other experience? Because I asked you to come prepared. Although I asked you to only read articles, I did not ask you to make comparison. For your homework on Wednesday, I'm asking you to make comparison. But based on your reading, can anyone come up with any other point? Based on your experience.
Ma'am, byline is also mentioned in the features.
Very good. So a column comes with a byline, feature also comes with a byline. There, this is a similarity, but again, it's a kind of comparison. Let me excuse me just for a minute. I need. Gee, I'm back. I'm so sorry for this interruption. So I was talking about comparison. Fatma just raised a point. She said there is a byline in a column and then there is a byline in feature as well, which is a similarity. Although it's similar, it is still comparison. I'm asking you to talk about comparison. So when I say
Ma'am,
identify, G.
Ma'am, features do not appear in a specific position or space, but columns are appear in a specific corner.
Yes, very good. Another very good point Maheen has raised. What she's trying to say is that there is a fixed space for columns. However, there usually is not any fixed space for a feature. Is that what you were saying, Maheen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. So see, now here we are talking about some differences, some similarities. Come prepared to talk about them, and for our next virtual session on Monday. Okay, and with that, I will also upload a recorded lecture. First, I would like you to experience this. I do not want to tell you the differences merely by giving you a lecture. I would like you to go through the experience of making comparison. That way you would be learning in a better way. So after I have heard from you next week in our virtual session from next week, I'll upload my lecture as well, which will be related to how can we differentiate between a newspaper column and a feature. Okay? All right. Now, I think I have talked about pretty much everything related to your homework on Wednesday. With that, I would also ask you to observe carefully reviews. Along with features, you will also notice reviews. Let me write this in the chat box. You will also notice reviews in Sunday magazine of the news. Reviews are different from features. They are not features. Review is actually a critical assessment on something, okay, which is not feature. Irha gave a very good point when she was sharing that features also come from soft news. So yes, there is this soft news element, but when you read a review, usually there is not a soft news element. Review is review. Can I ask you to, okay, review is critical assessment. Let's talk about any new restaurant in town. Let's say I have heard a lot about this restaurant named Poet. Has anyone ever heard about it? Poet, maybe it's
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Food
Poet.
Street. I have never been there, but I have heard about it. Okay, now if I ask any of you to tell me the review of that restaurant, can you talk about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's say Maheen says, yes ma'am, the food is very good, the ambience is very good, when I went there their service was very good, the quantity, like the serving that they give is really big, and even one serving 2 people can share, these kind of things. See, this is review. She is giving her assessment, she is giving her analysis about something. That is review. Has it ever happened to you that you want to go to a restaurant, or let's say you want to go to a shop or a mall, and you first read reviews of people? Reviews,
Yes, ma'am.
like you
It all.
want to see, okay, let's see what other people are saying about it. Okay, that is also a review. Does that make sense? Okay, now when you are reading contents um, from TNS, please be mindful of the fact that a feature is different from reviews. So far we are only learning about features, we are not talking about reviews. After we have done features, then we will start our learning about reviews. ठीक है? But I have told you very briefly how a review is different from a feature. Similarly, you can find reviews on books, you can find reviews on movies, and many other things in TNS. Fatma, you want to ask a question?
Yes, ma'am. I was reading the TNS, and in today's, I think there was a like review about Churales. So would we the TV series that's airing on ZTV? It's
Yeah.
actually about like they have written Churales, and then they have put a hyphen and then wrote like a case for righteous female anger. So will that be a review? Will we call it a review when they are talking about actually feminism more than
That
the
is
actual?
a very good question. See, if they only analyze Chudales, if they only talk about that series Chudales in a form of assessment, then it will be a review. But like you said, if you see any element of feminism going in there, you see, then it takes the form of a feature. So we can say it's a review plus a feature as well. But you see, when you will we will talk about this in detail at length in our next virtual session, and when I will also upload my recorded lecture, I think you will be in a better position to actually differentiate a review from a feature. A feature comes with a pictorial display. It has a lot of pictures. It is usually very detailed, very lengthy. It is longer. I would say it's the longest piece of opinion article in a newspaper. A column is usually not that long. A letter to the editor, of course, it's always very short, very brief. Editorial also has its space limit. However, there is no space limit for feature. In Sunday magazines, you can find features that usually are published on 3 pages. I mean, imagine a 3 pages long feature. Just think about articles that you see in Time magazine. In Time magazine, even you can find articles that are spread over 3 pages. So a feature is usually, but now you see a review is usually very short because it's just the assessment, it's just the analysis. So that is how maybe you can identify which one is a review and which one is a feature. Does that answer your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Okay, any other questions, students? Any other questions?
Ma'am, TNS is a magazine now.
It is a Sunday magazine of The News newspaper. The News, which is Pakistan's English newspaper. It is the abbreviation of The News on Sunday. That is why it is known as TNS. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha bete, those of you who came late, I would like to repeat the information that we are going to have our 3rd virtual session on January the 22nd, Friday at the same class time. Please be mindful, please be on a lookout for a Google Doc invite, and as soon as you receive it, you ask me for permission. Once you get the permission to edit the document, go there, see the read the instructions and begin your writing. Okay? And please afterwards take a look at my suggestions as well. My suggestions will be related to how you can improve your writing. Okay? In our today's virtual session, I wanted to familiarize you with what features are. This is actually a kind of orientation session for feature. Let me tell you a very brief definition of what a feature is. I'm going to write it in the chat box. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. I have written these 2 words in the chat box. Factual presentation. What is a feature? A feature is a factual presentation. What is factual? Can Alishba tell? Alishba or Taha? What is factual, Alishba?
Ma'am, based on points which are gathered on the basis of like true facts.
Facts, very good. Factual comes from the word fact, something which is coming from facts. Factual presentation is a presentation of facts. See, again, it is opinion, but it is different from column in the sense that a column is a person's viewpoint. However, feature is just the presentation of facts, whatever facts are out there. Okay, let me give you the example. A feature on Kamran Baradari. What is Kamran Baradari? Have you seen a small sort of monument, a building right in the middle of River Ravi? Or let's forget about Kamran Baradari if you are not familiar with that, but that's Kamran Baradari. Bashahi Mosque, a feature on Bashahi Mosque. Okay? It's a kind of like narration on something. You read a feature on Bashahi Mosque, and that tells you when was it built, by whom was it built, and what is the historical significance of this building. It is a symbol of Mughal architecture in the country. It's a famous tourist spot in the city, all that. I mean, they are all facts, aren't they? They are all facts. So any sort of article that you see on Bashahi Mosque will be a factual presentation, which means it is a presentation of facts, which means it is a feature. Okay? Just to tell you very briefly, again, my purpose for today's virtual session was to familiarize you with the concept of feature. And now I have, you know what a feature is. With all these things in mind, with all these points in mind, please read the contents from TNS on Wednesday. This is your homework for our class on Wednesday. Okay? During the exact time of the class, please sit, read contents from TNS, and keeping in view your experience of reading columns, just take notes of your points related to how can you make a comparison between a feature and a column, okay? And try to come up with at least more than 5 points. Each of you should have at least more than 5 points. Today even I have discussed, I think, 2 or 3 points with you. I'm asking you to find some more, and we will talk about them in detail in our next virtual session on Monday. Okay? I have told you what we are going to do on Wednesday. I have told you what we're going to do on Friday. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me now. Otherwise, I will end today's session. And I will also upload a recording of this session on Moodle as soon as I'm done. Any questions?
Ma'am, when we are going to have our final exam?
During the time that will be given to us from the university. Okay? And it's mentioned on calendar, on university calendar on the website. Any other question?
मैम आई हैव हर्ड कि अब जो है वो फेस टू फेस फाइनल्स नहीं होंगे, दे विल बी ऑनलाइन.
That's correct. Yes.
मैम तो फिर हम कोई प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह करेंगे या सेम जैसे मिड में मूडल पे किया था
We
वैसे ही?
will go by what is mentioned in course outline. I have mentioned in course outline for your final. You will submit writing portfolio, and along with writing portfolio there will be an oral viva with each of you. Okay? Excuse me. And there will be an oral viva. That is how
Viva
you, which will be, viva will be related to your writing portfolio, and your writing portfolio comes from writing sessions that we have been doing on Fridays. Okay? But before that writing portfolio submission, there is a recorded presentation as well. If you remember, we will do that in 2 weeks.
मैम ये बहुत हेक्टिव नहीं हो जाएगा, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं हो जाएगा?
I do not think so. We still have maybe 5 more weeks for the semester. Okay. Any other question? Okay, if you do not have any other question, I will end the session now. And if you have any confusion, do not hesitate to write an email to me, or you can also see the recording of this lecture, which will be available on Moodle. Padma, you have a question, bete?
Ma'am, I mailed you regarding something on Thursday.
Yes. I wanted to say that please give me just 1 week. I am very swamped with grading right now. Okay? And you wrote a letter to the editor. You wanted me to take a look at it. But I request you to remind me on either Wednesday or Thursday in the same email thread that ma'am, please take a look. That way I will kind of get a notification, and I will inshallah work on that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you so much. I'll let you leave now. I'll see you next Monday. Thank you. Goodbye.